buying fried chicken from Kroger. This is an 8-piece. I'm eating it all tonight. Okay, let's go. The swinging hands. We really got her chicken, and Donya's here. I wanted her to introduce herself to the vlog and tell her how we know each other, but I don't know if she will. Let's see if she'll do it.
Okay. Hi vlog, my name is Donya, and I've known Haley since middle school, back when she was a totally different girl. We bonded over One Direction. And then 5 Sauce, and now 5 Sauce sucks, but One Direction is so cool. That's enough.
Anyways, but yeah, they're on a hiatus. Me and Donya went to 2 One Direction concerts together.
Shout out to Ultra in Baltimore and Where We Are DC.
We made fan accounts. Me and Donya both had fan accounts and fan tumblers. She still has hers. Now she's a BTS stan. But yeah, Waverly got her fried chicken. Donya came, and Janelle's asleep. It's like 1:12.
It's 12:39.
And we might go to the women's basketball game. Why do you do that? Waverly has a new boyfriend. His name is... I'm so excited. I want a taquito and a Slurpee. So I got my taquitos and a Slurpee. Woo! Chick-fil-A. Ooh, milkshake. Eat me. Ew. Me and Waverly decided that we're gonna go to the math info and study for our exam, and then after we're going to Chick-fil-A, and we're getting a bunch of food, like Chick-fil-A mukbang. Like we're gonna get like multiple. Oh, I'm so excited! She's excited too. Ew! Are these things supposed to move? Like they literally move.
They don't move this.
Because there's one of these in them. I think. It's so weird. Zoom in closer, put it closer to my phone. So I'm walking back from taking my math test, and the feeling that I have, like knowing that it's over, is so amazing. Like I'm so happy to be done with it. It causes me to stress so much, even though I didn't do that great. I didn't do terrible, and it was nice. Me and Waverly are on a quest for 5 containers of ice cream. I don't have a big freezer, but I'm still gonna get a bunch of ice cream. Taking one for the team. Waverly?
Me too. I want to get a second fridge. Don't catch me.
Honestly, I could get a second fridge now because our RA came and checked, and she thinks that we have all the like right things. So maybe I'll get myself a little freezer.
Yeah, I know I need some cheese. Family size?
Yes, family size.
Oh, I want a double stuffed Oreo.
Decisions. Ooh, Oreos. Ooh, girl.
Regular is not good enough. Here we go. Double stuff. Oh.
Waverly is buying fried chicken from Kroger. This is an 8-piece.
I'm eating it all tonight. Okay, let's go.
Really? Now she's a new woman? Waverly literally has 3 bags full of stuff.
She got an 8-piece of fried chicken.
The sad thing is, like, we're here, like, getting food, but our dining plans will probably expire by the end of the semester still. Mine will. She's eating her chicken. At the bus stop! Oh my god. Crazy. My braid fell out. I thought I was Pippi Longstocking. Not anymore. Now I'm like alfalfa. Waverly with all of her bags. Smile. Danya sent me a Valentine. I'm so excited. Never had a Valentine before. So yeah, me and Waverly just got back from Kroger and I got ice cream and I'm so excited. And clementines. It's Valentine's Day. I'm about to meet Waverly at the bus stop so we can go to our math study session. I love having no Valentine, except Danya. It's beautiful. Waverly, come here. Come here.
Ooh, look.
I think this is our first time getting to the help session this early.
48.
So we're finding things to do.
50. No, it's 80, 54.
We're walking back from the Impo
Like, oh no.
to Mish Mish. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Mish Mish. Mish. Me and Waverly just thought of the fact that Virginia Tech is going to be alive longer than us. Crazy. So me and Janelle just went to Kroger and I bought a rotisserie chicken. I finally got my rotisserie chicken.
I'm talking about
For weeks.
we came here a month ago
And they never had it at night. Well, I got my chicken. It's supposed to be nice outside today, so I'm wearing a dress. So I'm wearing a dress for the first time this semester, something that I do a lot. And I'm just realizing how hard it is. So it's finally good weather. Waverly's showing her arms. I'm showing my legs. I'm wearing a dress. It feels weird. I feel like I'm gonna moon the whole school just like I did in the summer. And we're going to Chick-fil-A to get breakfast. And I want a donut too from Dunkin' Donuts. So let's go. Well, I just sat with Waverly and Jenna and they had their origami. I'm a great friend. People look at me, I'm crazy in my dress, but I'm just dressing it up, living. I feel free.
My butt has water on it.
She sat in water. It's been a nice day. We're going back to Kroger for
Oh, ice cream.
ice cream. The swinging hands.
Bum, bum. Yes.